A country of contrasts. A place where thousand-year-old traditions meet futuristic skylines. Where tea ceremonies still matter, but mobile payments rule the streets. Where women are rewriting old rules, and travelers discover things they never imagined. Today, we're taking you on a journey through culture, travel, and the lives of women in modern China. And trust me, it's a story you won't believe. Red Lantern Culture, tradition meets technology. Culture in China is not just history and books, it's alive in daily life. Confucian values of respect for elders and family loyalty still shape how people interact. Taoist ideas of balance and harmony influence everything from medicine to architecture. Buddhism continues to inspire art, festivals, and spiritual practices, but in 2025, culture is evolving at lightning speed. Walk through Beijing, and you'll see young people wearing Nike sneakers, sipping Starbucks, while scrolling Douyin, China's version of TikTok. Yet just around the corner, incense burns in temples, and calligraphy classes are full of students. It's old and new, side by side. Food is another window into culture. Dumplings in the north, spicy hot pot in Sichuan, Cantonese dim sum in Guangzhou. And now, fusion dishes, sushi burritos, bubble tea with oat milk, plant-based Peking duck. It's tradition, but with a modern twist. For Americans, it's like seeing barbecue reinvented with vegan ribs, or pizza topped with sushi rolls, familiar, but surprising. Music and art also reflect this blend. Traditional instruments like the guzheng and erhu are now mixed with EDM beats in Shanghai clubs. Street art in Chengdu combines ancient dragons with futuristic neon. It's a cultural remix, uniquely Chinese, but globally connected. Even holidays are changing. Lunar New Year still brings fireworks, red envelopes, and family reunions. But now, digital red envelopes are sent through apps, and fireworks are replaced by drone light shows. Imagine the 4th of July, but instead of fireworks, hundreds of drones paint the sky with glowing dragons and lanterns. Airplane travel, from ancient wonders to futuristic cities. Traveling through China in 2025 feels like stepping into different centuries at once. In Beijing, you can tour the Forbidden City in the morning, then ride a driverless bullet train in the afternoon. In Xi'an, the terracotta warriors still guard their emperor. In Chengdu, pandas nap while tourists snap selfies. China's landscapes are breathtaking. The rice terraces of Yunnan look like green staircases carved into mountains. The deserts of Xinjiang stretch endlessly, golden under the sun. The karst peaks of Guilin rise like dragon's teeth above rivers. And thanks to smart tourism, you can explore with AR. Guides, instant translation apps, and cashless payments everywhere, even for street food. For Americans, it's easy to compare. Imagine New York's hustle, but multiplied. Imagine the Grand Canyon's beauty, but with temples carved into cliffs. Imagine Disney World's tech, but applied to entire cities. That's China's travel experience. And don't forget rural travel. Villages in Guizhou still celebrate harvest festivals with dragon dances. Farmers in Inner Mongolia ride horses across vast grasslands. Tourists can now book eco-tours that combine tradition with sustainability. It's like visiting Amish country in Pennsylvania, but with drones flying overhead. China's transportation is part of the adventure. High-speed trains connect cities faster than planes. Subways are spotless, efficient, and cashless. Even taxis are electric, with apps guiding every ride. For Americans used to Uber or Lyft, imagine that system scaled nationwide, with zero cash and instant translation built in. Women, breaking barriers, facing challenges. Women in China are rewriting the rules. In traditional society, they were expected to obey fathers, husbands, and sons. But in 2025, things look very different. Chinese women are CEOs, engineers, filmmakers, and politicians.